Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl on your best. Guys, how are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you're doing great. Okay guys, in today's video we'll be talking about macchina operatrici e macchina agricole. Now for those of you who are just joining my video, you're welcome. In this video, it's all about the patentability theory. Okay, as soon as we go by, we're going to be adding some practicals as well. Okay, now we're going to translate this for English for a better understanding. So guys, you don't want to miss out, stick on this channel, okay? Because we are giving you back-to-back content. Okay guys, please do well to share my video if you have not. It doesn't take anything, just click the share button, okay? So that other people will be aware of such a thing. Thank you very much if you have done that. I believe you have done that. Let's get started. Okay, today we'll be talking about macchina operatrici e macchina agricole. That's for today's lesson. So all this is macchina operatrici, this is macchina agricole, this is macchina operatrici. Okay, this one is macchina agricole. Okay guys, so we'll be talking about the both of them today. It says le macchine operatrici e le macchine agricole sono macchine semoventi, si possono muovere da solo. Now it said this macchine operatrici and macchine agricole, they are macchine semoventi. Macchine semoventi are vehicles that can move on their own. So si possono muovere da sole, that means they can move on their own. Or trainati, or they can be towed. Okay, dotati di ruote gommati or cingoli. So it is being equipped with ruote gommati, which is this one you're seeing here, or cingoli, which is these tracks you're seeing here. Okay, ruote gommati or ruote cingoli. Quelli semoventi possono trasportare al massimo 3 addetti, compreso i conducenti, ma non in piedi. So it says that the one that can move on its own can transport maximum of 3 adults, including the driver, okay guys, including the driver, but not on foot. That means they can't be on foot while driving on it. The maximum you can take is 3, including the driver. Neanche è soprattutto su rimorchio, even those that are being towed. Okay, you can't be on foot. Now, that's for macchina operatrici. It says le macchine agricole sono destinate ad essere impiegate nelle attività agricole e forestali. Now, macchine agricole, they are being used, okay, for agricultural and forest activities. That's what it's trying to tell us, that they are being used for these purposes, agricultural purposes and forest activities, okay. Possono circolare su strada per il proprio trasferimento o per il trasporto di prodotti agricoli, ma solo se immatricolate. Now, this particular macchina agricole can be transferred on its own or to use to transport agricultural products. You can use it to transport agricultural products from one place to another. Only if it is being registered, ma solo se immatricolate. Only if it is being registered, guys. Le macchine agricole non eccezionali. So we have the macchine agricole, the one that is non-exceptional, and we have the one that are what exceptional. Now it is telling us of the one that is not exceptional. Cioè quella che non superano il limite sagoma e in massa previsti per I motoveicoli. Now the one that is not exceptional, the macchine agricole that is not exceptional, is the one that does not pass the limit, okay, the mass limit that is being provided for motor vehicles. Okay, the one that doesn't pass the mass limit that is being provided for motor vehicles, macchina non eccezionale. Now you can drive this particular macchina with this kind of category of license. Si possono condurre con le patenti di categoria A1, A2 or A. Now, this one that is not exceptional Macchina Agricole, you can drive it with patente A1, A2, and patente A. Quella eccezionale, now the one that is exceptional, the one that is what? Exceptional, you can drive it with patente B. Quella eccezionale con la patente B. Please try to jot these things down because you can see it increase. Now, back to Macchina Operatrici. This is Macchina Operatrici. Le macchine operatrici sono ad esempio. Now, these are examples of macchina operatrici. You know, the one for agricole is used for agricultural and forest activities. Now, these ones are macchina operatrici. Esempio, veicoli sgombraneve. They used to clear the snow. The same thing with spatineve. All these are vehicles for snow, okay, to use to clear the snow. Veicoli utilizzati per la costruzione di opera civile o stradale. Now, vehicles that is used for construction of road work, of civil work or road work. Okay, these are called veicoli per la costruzione di opera civile o stradale. Then we have carrelli per movimentazione di cose. So we have carrelli, we all know carrelli to move things from one place to another. So these ones are part of macchina operatrici. Quella non essenziale. Now, macchina agricole, like it has the exceptional ones and the ones that are not exceptional. Same thing goes for macchina operatrici. Quella non essenziale, the ones that is not exceptional. Cioè di massa fino a 3,25 tonnellate. Their mass load is what? 3.5 ton. It is not higher than that. At maximum, is 3.5 ton. This macchina non exceptional. Their mass is what? 3.5 ton. Si possono condurre con la patente B. Now, this macchina are not exceptional ones. You can drive it with what? Patente B. Quella eccezionale con una patente superiore C, patente C. Okay. Now, the ones that are not exceptional, you can drive with our normal patente B. But the one that is superior, that is patente C, you use it for that, which is exceptional macchina operatrici. Please take note, guys. All these things that are being asked in the exam. You know this place we did macchina agricole? We said the ones, let me go back to it. We said the ones that are not exceptional, you use A1, A2, or A, not exceptional. Then you that is having the patente B, you can drive it with macchina agricoli eccezionale, the exceptional ones, okay? But now in this macchina operatrici, you that can use your patente B to drive the exceptional macchina agricole, you cannot use the same patente B to now drive the exceptional macchina operatrici because these ones are higher. So they require a higher patente, which is patente C. Okay. Okay, guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you watched till this very time, thank you for watching. I love you so much. Okay, see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please do it to hit the subscription button. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.